Hi everyone, my name is Amy, and in this video, I'll show you how to add the Poppers FAQ widget to your Squarespace website. An FAQ widget is a great way to organize common questions and answers, making it easier for visitors to find helpful information quickly. So, let's get started. First, go to your Popper dashboard. Once you're there, click on Widgets from the left sidebar, and then click Create New Widget. Now search for FAQ in the widget library and open it. Once the widget editor opens, you'll see the preview on the right side and the settings on the left side. In the Content tab, you can edit the widget title. You can also enable or disable the search bar and the FAQ schema. In the Category section, you can add categories, change their titles, and upload icons. Under each category, you can add questions and edit them as needed. There is also an option to disable the category title. Next, go to the Templates tab. Here, you can choose between accordion, list, and column layouts. If you select accordion, you'll get extra settings such as inline and card stack. You can also choose different icon styles and enable or disable open first question and multiple open. You'll also find the widget width option here. Then open the Styles tab. In the Visual Template section, you can choose clear, background, shadow, or border. In the Color section, you can change the item background, question text, answer text, and primary text colors. Once you're happy with the customization, click Publish Widget. After that, the installation code will appear. Copy the code and go to your Squarespace site editor. Inside the editor, add a code block, then paste the installation code into it. After that, save your changes. Once your website is live, refresh the page, and your widget will appear successfully. That's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one.